Easy Clean lid is designed to eliminate nooks and crannies where filth and grime could get trapped. Pop-up straw features a spill-proof valve that averts spills even when spout is open. BPA on the loose plastic lid and body are top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanups. Straw is a cinch to disassemble for thorough cleaning but stays tethered so there are no loose parts to misplace. Kids enjoy an easy one-handed drinking experience at the push of a button. For ages 3 and up. Fret no more, the Contigo Kids AUTOSPOUT straw water bottle with easy clean lid has come to the rescue. Kids get a kick out of pressing a button to open the pop-up straw for effortless one-handed drinking, and they can easily push the spout under the cover to protect the mouthpiece from the elements. Adults appreciate that the straw features a spill-proof valve so car seats and tables are safe from spills, even if little ones hold the bottle upside down. When it's time to clean up, you'll be happy to know that all parts are top rack dishwasher safe. The lid easily disassembles for full access cleaning, and the lid is designed to eliminate all nooks and crannies in which filth and grime might accumulate. Rest assured. For ages 3 and up. Top reviews from the United States. Truly are leak-proof. These truly are leak-proof. These are truly the only water bottles I buy for my kids. Cute designs they love, pretty durable, and did I mention they're leak-proof? It's hard to come by ones that actually are. They get thrown around constantly and they hold up great. After a long time some of the design may fade a little. Dishwasher safe is also a big perk for me. I've never had mold issues, just make sure you're opening all the parts in the lid and making sure it's friend all the way before putting it away. When my kids were younger they would put the soft spout, so if your child is a biter you may need to wait until they outgrow that. Would recommend to anyone.